Hi guys, Bright Eye Beauty here with you today. I'll be showing you how to use our new products, the contour stick, the highlighting stick, and the cream blush stick. So first we're going to start off using the contour stick in the shade Sculpt 2. There are two shades available. You will see me here placing marks on exactly where you want to have the contour stick going. So next we're going to blend it out. I'm using our beauty blender and our baby beauty blender, and all I'm going to be doing is tapping out and blending the contour stick into my foundation that I already have on. Keep in mind you do not want to go ahead and set your face when using contour sticks. You want to make sure all of your liquid is on your face before using a powder to set anything. Next, I will be grabbing the highlighting stick in the shade Rose Gold. I will be placing that on the parts of my face where the light will catch the most attention. So that is on my bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my cheekbones. Grabbing my baby beauty blender, I'm just going to tap and blend out that highlight color on those specific spots to make sure we're not having any streaky lines or any funkiness happening. Next, I'm grabbing our cream blush in the shade Mauve and Shimmer, and I will be placing that on my cheeks, and I'm just kind of making little lines here. This doesn't have to look perfect or pretty because we will go in with that big beauty blender here in a second to tap and blend that out. Using our translucent powder, I'm going to set all of the liquid that is on my face from my foundation, concealer, contour, blush, and highlight. This powder is going to make sure there's no movement happening and that this is going to last all day long. I always start underneath of my eye and then I move outwards towards the rest of my face with the powder. And this is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and beneficial. If you need anything, let a girl know. See y'all later.